Hi guys, welcome to another day of Turkey trip, and we are out and about going for brunch because we didn't have breakfast, and we are out right now. It's 12:30, and everyone of us got ready. Wasim, Adnan, and everyone are here. So look at the background. These are the streets of Antalya, guys. Zoeb, that's Zoeb, Mustaq there. So let's go find a place to eat, and then let's see what's with Antalya. These are the streets of Antalya, guys. People are walking, enjoying the streets. Enjoying this vibe is so different from Istanbul or Cappadocia. Proper Goa vibes. It's like uh, it's 10 times better than Goa. Much better feel art. Even cars are coming through the streets, guys. I mean, we came the same way, but it is very narrow for cars in the streets. Especially in the nights, people have to move away to make way for the car. See, every one of us stopped because this car is going through this way. It's very narrow, as you can see the seating and the. It's very narrow. Guys, check out the street. It is so beautiful. It is so cinematic. Proper photogenic area. Everyone taking their photos for the gram, reels, and perfect location for reels. Check out that. Huh? Yeah, man, need some water. So that side, I think that's the ocean side. We're still finding out the restaurant, guys. Bro, let's get in. Oh, I can see the ocean. If you can see, that's the sea. So we finally entered this restaurant. I don't know if it's open or closed. Are you sure it's open? Because it looks like. Huh? Yeah, I don't think it's open. Probably 2 p.m. Let's see if it's open because it's boiling and we don't want to sit outside. So there's this Italian restaurant, guys. Check it out. That restaurant had no chicken, so we just came out. This is another restaurant. Check this out. This is all Italian theme with Italian food. Just check out the view from here. You can already see. Just look at the view. Antalya, guys. Pink chairs with that background. Oh my god. Just check out the view. Check out this. This is a pasta. That's stroganoff. That's another chicken stroganoff, and this is another pasta. I'm yet to get my food. They all are waiting. So guys, this is a curry sauce with chicken and veggies and salad. Let's dig in. It looks amazing. Can't wait. Let's dig in. We are done with the food. Check that out, guys. There is the view from every street. So we're just having a walk along the sea. Bro, I want to eat ice cream so bad. Yeah. Let's go eat some ice cream before we melt. So we just took a rest on the bench, sat for a bit, and check out this view, guys. So that whole thing is Antalya. It's very huge city actually. It's nowhere near small. Yes, Nifta. So there's like a walking path right here with big trees and sea on the ocean beside. Let's go. So guys, this is what I was talking about. It is very narrow. It is very hard to just go through all the streets because there are loads of people having lunch or food. We have to right. Look at the street, guys. Now it's fine actually, not that narrow. Yeah. You can see here everyone gets lost. Literally, if you rent a car here and you come by your own, you'll definitely get lost in these streets because they're so confusing. We were lost yesterday night. We somehow figured out. See, they are lost. So best, once you enter the streets, you can't make a U-turn because it's very narrow, the streets. You just can't make a U-turn. And there are like 2-3 cars behind you, and so you have to keep going forward. So these all are the hotels here, Airbnbs, resorts and everything. They are beautiful. Streets are so nice in Antalya. But the parking is a big problem here, and finding route is a big mess. We haven't seen Antalya yet. I mean, only this area, the streets we have explored, but not outside this community. We have to go roam around the town, the city. Let's see. Hey guys, we are going to the beach finally in Antalya. Okay, we are going to the beach. Right now I'm with Nifta and Adnan. And the others are in the other car. We are on the way. And this is the first time we are looking at in the town. So let's explore Antalya. Let's see what it got. Guys, check out the view. So we just came to this viewpoint. That's Antalya, guys. All the mountain ranges and the beach. Just look at the sea line. It's perfect. Like, bro, I never saw a beach with the perfect line. Never. And look at this road. The hairpins. Hairpins. Check out the line, the consistency of the water. Insane, I never saw a beach like that. And everyone is swimming till a point. So you can see it's all limited. Look at the mountain ranges to the back. Insane. So there are a couple of hairpins here. Right down to the beach. This is the specialty of Antalya. got these scooters for rent also everywhere in Antalya. So you can rent it out and roam around the city. See, there's one park right there. And people are enjoying the summer. So now the task is to park the car. And there are insane crowd here. Oh, I see some AMG line. What is it? CLS? Yeah, that's a CLS. Yeah, you see cabriolet. So there's a lot of parking here. Keep an eye. Dude, वो लोग चले गए उधर. So there's no parking in this lot. We have to find another place. That's our other car. Now we have to back up all the way. Everyone is struggling to find parking. We found a spot finally, and they also, I think, they found a spot. So let's go to the beach. Time for the beach. This whole thing is a parking lot. They have restaurants and playgrounds to have fun, and beach right by this ground. They have everything. It's a very fun place. The restaurants also are massive, and the parking also is sorted. There's a lot of parking area. See, cycling track over there. It's beautiful. There is an insane vibe. Guys, check out the cycling track. This whole thing is a cycling track and a footpath right beside. And this pathway right to the beach. Everyone is taking sunbath. We just took these beds, every one of us, by the beach. It costed us 1,000 lira, which is like 300 pounds.
Not 300 pounds. How will it be?
30 pounds.
Yeah, almost 30.
30 pounds. And yeah, it's very nice deal for 30 pounds.
Thank you.
Check out the mountain ranges beside. And this whole thing is a beach. We are right in the 4th row. So it's pretty close. And the water looks so good. I just want to go dip in. So you can see everyone is having picnic, chilling out, playing with football, volleyball, and it's a proper vibe. This is an insane restaurant, and they provided us the seats by the beach. And look, we just got done with the swimming. Time to go. My bag is actually in the car, so I'm just heading to the car to get my bag and change my clothes. I'm full wet right now, so I'm not showing myself. And just look at the views. Insane. Done with the packing, done with everyone got changed. It's time to go.
Did I give you the keys?
Yeah. Only car keys, not the house keys.
Yeah, house keys are in the car.
Yeah.
English.
So we are going to a restaurant. No, first we are going home. Get changed. Go. He didn't get his extra shirt, so he's wearing a towel and roaming around. His shirt is wearing. That's his new outfit. That's the position of others. Everyone got tan.
टैन की माँ बहन हो गई अब टैन भी नहीं बिलावे बोलते बिलावे व्हाट इज योर एथनिसिटी बिलावा बिलावा नहीं
They hosted us. Red carpet. I don't know why, because everyone goes out red. Like, there you go. That's one more restaurant. Oh, they are going fast. They are flying. We stopped by this roadside shop for the t-shirt because my friend doesn't have an extra t-shirt. So my car is there and their car is here. once we got a shirt on, we are just going to find a nice restaurant to eat and then go home again, back outside to enjoy the nightlife of Antalya. Just look, the vibe around is so good in the night. Antalya is made for nightlife, literally. In the mornings it's dead, it's literally dead, and in the night it comes alive. Guys, I don't know if you can see the moon. Let me try to show you. It is a full moon today, and I want to show you guys. If you can see over there, that's a full moon. It looks insanely close and big. So nice. So we are done with the swimming and we are done with the beach for now. Tomorrow the plan is to go back to Istanbul because day after tomorrow we have a flight to catch back home to London. Actually, Exeter. I mean, we are flying back to London, then bus to Exeter. So today we have to make use of the time, try to get most of it. So we decided first going home because the restaurant is right beside the Airbnb. So yeah. Again they're shopping. So we are just going home, and because the restaurant is literally right beside the house Airbnb, the street I showed you in the previous clips. Let's go and have some dinner and then go out to have some fun. So we are out and about for dinner. Check this out, guys. Octopus and fish, squid and prawns. Back on this road, the one I showed you in the morning. Going for restaurant hunting. Let's see what we can find. One more place which has live this thing. One more place with fish, octopus and few other things. As I said, Antalya is all about nightlife. As dry it is in the day, it is the opposite in the night. It is so bright and so colorful. You can see restaurants everywhere. And my friends, the restaurant I showed you in the morning, that's the same restaurant we are going in. Because morning there was no chicken, so we went to another restaurant. Now we want to try. Ho ho ho. Just look around, guys. It looks amazing in the night actually. And there's live music playing in the background. There's German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, and a pool. Live music happening. It looks beautiful.